So this is our recording nature challenge for the day. As you'll see, I'm near a bank by the hedgerow with a few bluebells, some garlic mustard, quite a few nettles, everything looking incredibly lush and green, but I'm sure you'll notice that not all greens are the same. So our challenge today is to take inspiration from nature and to take inspiration from art and go back and see if we can do some of our own colour matching. We're going to focus on the greens today, the greens that we've got on the bank and in the hedgerows, or maybe even in your gardens, and we're going to limit ourselves to the primary colours, red, yellow and blue, and I will just allow us a little bit of white. Okay, let's see how we get on. Good luck everyone. Okay, so here we are, back in the little craft area and ready to mix some natural greens. Like I said, we're allowed the primary colours, so obviously blue and yellow, because mixed together those are going to make most of our greens. And the other primary colour is red, probably not needed, but just in case. And I've also allowed us some white. And we're going to mix these colours together. We're going to use some of these leaves from plants from off the bank. And there are a couple of things I want to do with the colours that we've mixed. So these are sticks that I have made earlier against plants that I found in the garden or in the hedge. This is an ivy, a white poplar, a hedge woundwort, and these sticks that I've made up and matched, I can now reference if I want to do some paintings of anything in the garden, and I know the sorts of ranges of colours that I'm going to be finding, let's say in springtime. I'm going to get out the garlic mustard, which was so prolific on the bank, and see if we can mix the green of the leaf. I've placed the garlic mustard leaf onto the white background, so I've got the colour stick and the paper, and you can probably see that there are a range of greens just in this leaf. I'm going to use the yellow as the base and then gently add some blues and see how we go from there. I hope you will be able to see that that's quite close. So I've got young oak leaves, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the reverse side of them and stamp them over my sheet. I'm now beginning to cut up those pieces of paper that we've painted all the different colours on and create a collage on the bottom to represent where those plants are on the bank.